It has now been years since we have driven across the border for a little shopping adventure. And if you guys remember, the last time we did it was back in the day when we lived in Toronto, and we have been itching to go and see what there is to see. It's been so long since we've driven across, and we just wanted to bring you along today to go for a little shopping adventure. We want to see what makeup there is to see. It's been, oh my God, it's been years since either of us have been to a Target. Like, hello, I want to see what's at Target, what's going on. I want to check out Ulta. There's a Sephora there. Obviously, we got to stop at Trader Joe's. We're so excited. We've got our passports at the ready. We're gonna go for a little drive, a little stroll on this beautiful sunny day, and see what there is to see on the other side. All right, I've got my coffee. We're ready to go. It's a 41-minute drive. And our first stop, Ulta, baby. Yes, I don't have to order them now. I'm so stoked. Yay. Alright, so we finished our rounds in the Bellis Fair Mall. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the shelves were pretty empty. There was definitely some low stock going on, but we got some really great finds, and I'm excited to show you guys when we get home. Also, shout out to Deanna. She was so sweet at Ulta and was so nice and said hi. So hello if you're watching. And we did our haul. We got stuff from Ulta, got stuff from Target, aka Target, and we have one final stop. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's, see all the good groceries, and I'll show you what we picked up when we get home. We are home. We are home, and we brought all the things inside. Allow me to show you what we picked up. We had 3 stops. Let's start with Ulta. I couldn't believe that the face halos were there. That was so perfect. I was literally just like, oh, I need to order these online. This is stunning. Got a pack. Love, like, so happy to know that those are there. Those are the pads that I use to remove the makeup off my face. So very thrilled about that. Then I've actually seen a lot of the new Real, I don't know how new they are. Honestly, I have no idea, but I've seen a lot of these Real Techniques brushes on TikTok, and I wanted to pick them up because they looked fabulous. This one is the cheek and the face. I've seen a lot about this face one because it's like flat for pressing in, which is kind of perfect. Seamless complexion. Okay, can you see the brush? It's like flat on the one side, and then they kind of tapered, so you can just like press it in. Kind of seems like a magical complexion brush, so I was really excited about that. And then I decided to pick up the Instapop cheek brush for blush. Ooh, this one's also slanted. Okay, so sorry, JK. This one is also slightly slanted, just a little bit more fluffy. So what a fun little set of brushes to have for cream products, cream blush, foundation. Really excited. So had to pick those up to give them a little test. And then I saw this L'Oreal Glow Paradise Lip and Cheek Tint. This guy right here, I got this one in the shade Pink Serenity. And I hadn't seen this. I picked up the L'Oreal Paradise Tinted Moisturizer, but I hadn't seen this little lip and cheek tint to go with it. So I thought that was very cute. We'll definitely be giving that a test. Then these were 2 brands that I hadn't previously seen. Obviously they aren't available in store in Canada yet. I don't know if that's the plan, but they were both in store at Ulta. It was the Ariana Grande's brand, REM Beauty, and I know like when they first launched the brand, I posted it on Instagram and I was like, honestly, it just seems like another celebrity coming out with another brand. There's just so many of them. It was kind of overwhelming. Nothing really spoke to me. I hadn't seen any of the products in person, and I haven't like watched any reviews on it. I've just been totally like uninterested. There's like a few brands that I just like haven't cared to try, you know, but Dan, first of all, was like, babe, look at this mascara. The packaging is so cool. You have to try it. I was like, I don't really, like, I literally just bought like 3 Bite Beauty mascaras. I'm like, I don't want to get another one. But for testing purposes, the packaging looked really cool. And they had 2 versions. They had a lengthening one and a volumizing one. Obviously, I got the volumizing one. And I actually really like the look of the wand. It's very, very interesting. I can like show you more about it later, but the packaging looked very cool and sleek actually. and thought, all right, I shall give it a go. And then honestly, the cream blushes that they had looked really beautiful in person. I actually really like the packaging. It kind of reminded me of the Merit blushes, but a lot of their shades were out of stock, so I didn't pick any of the blushes up. But I saw these Midnight Shadows, Midnight Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow. And so I picked up 2 shades, Nevermind and Heart. And I actually really liked the packaging. I liked that you could see the color. They looked like super wearable every day, really nice browns. I got a lighter one and a deeper one, and they're matte. And I love those little one and done shadows. So I thought these would actually be really nice to try. I do think that the entire brand and the branding and all the products are set for like a much younger audience. Like that seems to be the target demographic, but I actually really love that they included these like very wearable shades, because there's a lot of like colorful, sparkly things that I'm not really into, but was very curious about those, saw them in person, wanted to pick them up. So the final purchases from Ulta were actually, oh my God, the Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is Jaclyn Hill's brand. I had no idea that it was at Ulta in store, and I was honestly just curious. I've seen a few people talking about it recently, being like, oh my God, the palette is amazing. And this is the Luxe Legacy. This guy right here, this is so not normally like something I would go for. And the reason why I actually really like the look of it is because it has a really nice mix of the warm and cool tones. I feel like you can just really get a lot out of this. And I was honestly just curious, like through all of her launches that she's ever done, like I've been a big Jaclyn Hill fan. Like I watched her back in the day, like I was an OG subscriber, and nothing really, like I remember the whole lipstick fiasco. It was just never a brand that I was really like intrigued by or wanted to try, but I figured I would give the eyeshadow palette a go just because you get a lot of nice neutrals in here. It's a really wearable palette. So when I saw it at Ulta, I was like, okay, all right, I'll give you a go. And then I decided to also pick up 2 of the liquid lipsticks, just because like I'm seeing a lot of these really nice like ombre kind of matte lips around, and I kind of wanted to give it a go. So I picked up 2 shades, Get Real and Empowered. So I'll have to keep you posted on those. But that was my little Ulta Beauty haul. Very excited to give these a go. I'm gonna have to do like a follow-up video of literally a full face of everything I bought. Let's do Target next. The woman at Target literally shoved everything in this bag. I was like, that's incredible packing. Does anyone remember my obsession with these Quest protein chips? Oh my God, I was so excited when I saw that they had the bags of them, because these are always sold out on Amazon. They really go in and out of stock. There's a few other sites that you can buy them, but it's been a hot minute since I've picked them up. And they were there, and I was so excited. They had a little bag of 4 bags of the Quest protein chips. I friggin' love these. They're so good. The nacho flavor is my favorite. I have tried all of them. This is the winner. I'm so excited that they had it there, and now I know that I can just hop on over and stock up, so that's very exciting. This was so random. I actually have no recollection of where I saw these. I remember it must have been like, I think it was a celebrity spokesperson or someone who's invested in this company or someone who started, I don't know, I don't remember where I saw it, but I remember going to the website, making a cart, being so excited about ordering it, and then realizing they didn't ship to Canada. So I saw these. Goodles mac and cheese. This is the Chetty Mac and the Twist My Parm. And I just love the branding. I think they did such an excellent job. And they are chickpea noodles, so they're like the protein pasta, like my Banza ones I love so much. And honestly, like this little image sold me. I'm like, yeah, I want that in my mouth. Please get in my mouth. So had to try it. So excited. Oh no, what spilled? Oh no. Oh, dang, flabbit, nabbit. I believe I've mentioned this before. One of our favorite body washes that we've been picking up from Costco recently has suddenly no longer been available at the Costco's around us, which is very sad, but it's the Everyman Jack Sandalwood Body Wash. And this Target had the jumbo size of it, which the Costco never had. So we picked that up because this is such a fabulous, really nice ingrediented body wash. It's literally whatever spilled is all over it, so please don't mind that. But then we saw this Native body wash and Native deodorants. I've heard a lot about this, but never like thought to look it up. But we decided to pick up the body washes because we're just like fully out in our guest bathroom and our bathroom as well. So Dan picked this, I was supposed to say shade. Dan picked this scent, the eucalyptus and mint. It smells very manly. They literally have the smallest ingredient list, and they have a little write-up about what each ingredient is and does, which I thought was really cool. Safe, simple, and effective, made with love. So you got that body wash, and then I went for the cucumber and mint. They didn't have the jumbo pump of the cucumber and mint, but that's fine. I just love the smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then we got the Native deodorants to try. I got this one. I got the sandalwood and shea butter, and Dan picked the sea salt and cedar. So we got native deodorants to try. I've heard so much about them. This is sensitive, aluminum free, and baking soda free. Will it work? Oh, it smells so good. We'll see. Have any of you tried native deodorant? What are your thoughts? Let us know. In the years that I have been talking about my anti-chafing short shorts for the summer, aka if you are a gal that has thighs that rub together, summer can be unfriendly, okay? Especially when you're trying to wear like cute skirts and dresses and you're just rubbing up all over the place. So I always wear like a pair of longer shorts underneath things in general, but especially in the summer. And anytime I've talked about them, you guys have always told me to try the Mega Babe, the Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. And it's one of those things that I see someone comment it or someone will message me about it and I just forget to buy it, or I just like, it just slips my mind, and saw it at Target and I was like, yes, the time is finally here. I'm so excited to give it a go, and it's perfect. We're heading into June, we're heading into the summer months. I am so excited to try this and report back on my thoughts. For all of you who have recommended this for literally years, I'm super excited to try this, and I'm so thrilled that Target had it. So that has been a long time coming. I really needed to try that. Can't wait to shove it in between my little leggy legs and see how it goes. Speaking of products that you guys have been telling me to buy forever, the No. 7 powder, the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. Canada does. Shoppers Drug Mart has the No. 7 skincare. They have a few random products, but I have never with my own eyes seen the powder. And I want to say hundreds of you at this point over the years have told me that this is a dupe, and a well-known dupe. I literally Googled it and there's like articles that pop up about this being a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury powder. So I finally got my hands on it. I got the shade Light. There were 3 shades. You guys, I can't wait to report back. The time is nigh. We have done it. Blessings. Okay, then I got a few random lip products. I had seen this Maybelline Green Edition line that they came out with. I actually already picked up the little tinted serum and the mascara, but they were all sold out of the little lip balms, which looked really pretty. So I picked up 2 shades in the little lip balms here. I can't see if that's focusing, I'm so sorry, but we'll give it a go. Let me just actually throw this one on right now. I can't see what this looks like, but it smells nice. Love any kind of tinted lip balm, so I don't know. I'll watch the footage after. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? Then I got this Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm with sunscreen, SPF 20. That's the key. I don't really have any lip products that have sunscreen in them, and going into the summer and in general, I just really want to like be more cognizant of that. So I saw this little tinted one and I thought that'd be really great. Again, in Canada, we don't really have any of the Neutrogena makeup products. I got this one in the shade Petal Glow 40. It's got a little sheer tint. So that was the Target haul. Lots of good things. We also went to Trader Joe's, and honestly, like, I didn't have anything in mind for Trader Joe's. I just always love going there because I think it's super fun. And there's always lots of fun, like little snacks and whatnot. So I just wanted to go and see what there was to see. Something really interesting that I was very curious to try were these organic cold brew black tea concentrate and also cold brew coffee concentrate. There's no sugar or anything added to these, which was really great. And you just mix the concentrate with water and you get a cup of cold brew tea or a cup of cold brew coffee. I thought that was so interesting. I'm so curious to try these, and the weather's getting warmer. Baby summer is upon us. Cold brew season is upon us. And I thought that was a really interesting concept. So if anyone has tried those, please let us know. We also got these. Oh my God, the Egg Witch. Thought this was so great. Turkey sausage, American cheese, nestled between 2 egg patties for just like frozen options on a weekend when you're just feeling a little snickety snack for breakfast. I thought that looked so good. Definitely have never seen anything like this with an egg patty. I thought that was so fun. And then I got these, oh my God, latkes, traditional latkes, these potato pancakes, and also got some cauliflower pancakes. I have a few girlfriends coming over this weekend, and I thought this would be perfect to try for our lovely little brunch on Sunday. So these looked absolutely divine. And then one of my girlfriends coming over is vegan, so I also picked up this creamy cashew cultured yogurt alternative, and I'm gonna make some little yogurt parfaits. I totally forgot to pick up granola. I've just realized. Oh well. Yogurt, how cute. Dairy-free yogurt. So that was the little Trader Joe's haul. You guys, those are all the products we picked up. Some lovely makeup bits, some body bits, some delicious food and snacks. It was just such a fun adventure. It had just been so long since we just did one of these little days driving over the border. It used to be our favorite thing. Like when I was in high school, my parents used to drive over the border like every week. We'd go to Trader Joe's, we'd go to Costco, we'd go to Ross, and it was always just such a fun little adventure. And I feel like grocery stores specifically in the US just have so many more options than ours do. And now that we like live outside of the city, we're so much closer to the border, and we've been meaning to do it for so long, but we've just had already so much travel this year. So we were so excited to do our little maiden voyage across the border. So we are thrilled, and we have many goodies and snacks to try. I'll definitely be doing a full face video. Like literally I'm gonna film that tomorrow morning, and you guys will be seeing, I'll do a first impression on all of these. Like so excited to put some of these to the test. And I'm gonna go put the groceries away. And thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. Thanks for coming along on this little shopping adventure. I hope that you're having a beautiful day or night wherever you are in the world, my friend. And I'll see you all very, very soon for another Everyday May video. Bye!